In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a table in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know the quickest, most reliable way to place a clean, organized table in your drawing and how to set the key parameters so it fits your needs the first time. Start by typing table on the command line and pressing enter. This is the direct, no-nonsense way to launch the table creation process. As soon as you do, AutoCAD opens a window where you can define exactly what you want. Think of this window as your control center for the table's structure and size. Here, set the number of columns and rows to match your content. Columns run vertically, rows run horizontally, and together they define the grid you'll be filling. Next, specify the width of each column and the height of each row. These measurements use your drawing's current units, so choose values that make text and data easy to read at your target scale. If you're not sure, start with moderate sizes that leave room for headings and notes. You can refine later if needed. In the same window, you'll see options related to data links. A data link lets your table connect to external data, such as a spreadsheet, so values can stay in sync. If your workflow involves schedules, parts lists, or quantities that change over time, a data link can save you from manual updates and reduce errors. You don't have to use a data link for a simple, standalone table, but it's good to know the option is there for dynamic projects. Before you confirm, take a moment to preview your counts and sizes. Ask yourself whether the number of columns supports your headings, and whether the row height gives enough breathing room for legible text. Small adjustments here can prevent crowding and keep the layout consistent across your sheets. When you're satisfied with the setup, click OK. AutoCAD creates the table using the parameters you provided, and you're ready to start entering information right away. That's all it takes. Define the column and row counts, choose practical sizes, optionally leverage a data link for live data, and confirm. To recap, the essential idea is simple. Type table, press enter, use the window to dial in structure and size, connect a data link if your data needs to stay synchronized, and click OK. With this straightforward approach, you'll get clear, professional tables that align with your drawing standards and are easy to maintain as your project evolves.